Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. Please note that this video reflects my personal experience using ExtraLend. ExtraLend Express Loan Review, a user's perspective. In this comprehensive review of ExtraLend Express Loan, we'll delve into the platform's features, identify the ideal borrowers, and outline what you can anticipate throughout the borrowing process. Let's get started. ExtraLend operates as an online loan matching service, connecting borrowers with lenders who provide short-term and installment loans. This platform primarily caters to individuals requiring rapid access to funds for unexpected costs like medical expenses, car repairs, or short-term cash flow shortages. Loan amounts generally fall within the range of $100 to $3,000, contingent on the lender's criteria and your individual financial situation. Applying for a loan through ExtraLend is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. The process begins by completing an online application form, which gathers basic personal, employment, and financial details. Once submitted, ExtraLend efficiently matches you with potential lenders within their extensive network. This streamlined method removes the need to independently research and contact numerous lenders, saving you valuable time and effort. Upon approval from a lender, the funds are often deposited directly into your bank account as swiftly as the next business day. A significant advantage of ExtraLend is its accessibility. The platform welcomes individuals with a wide range of credit scores, including those with poor or limited credit histories. Lenders within the ExtraLend network assess various factors beyond credit scores, such as income and repayment capacity. This inclusive approach makes ExtraLend a viable option for a diverse range of borrowers. Transparency and flexibility are hallmarks of ExtraLend's service. While the specific loan terms and conditions are determined by the individual lender, you have the opportunity to thoroughly review the loan agreement, including interest rates and repayment schedules, before accepting any offer. It's crucial to remember that, like most short-term loans, these often carry higher interest rates. Therefore, careful budgeting and responsible borrowing are essential. In conclusion, ExtraLend provides an efficient, convenient, and accessible solution for individuals seeking quick access to emergency funds. If this aligns with your needs, explore the links in the description below for more information. I hope this review has provided valuable insights. Thank you for watching.